Communication. Communication takes place all around us. Humankind has communicated in various ways since the beginning of their existence by means of drawings, writings, signals, symbols, and language. The communication is the process of sharing a message from one point to another point. Or you can say communication is the transfer of information from one or more people to one or more other people. A conversation between two persons is an example of communication. Telecommunication. Telecommunication is the transmission of messages over significant distances for the purpose of communication. Mobile phones, landlines, satellite phones, and voice over internet protocol, radio, television, and networks are some example of telecommunication. Telecommunication enables people to communicate over long distance. When you telephone your friend, you are using a form of telecommunication. Mobile phones, landlines, satellite phones, and voice over internet protocol, radio, television, and internet are all means of telecommunication. Data communication. Data communication refers to the sharing of a virtual message. It is the transfer of data or information between a source and a receiver. The source transmits the data and the receiver receives it. Electronic communications like email and instant messages as well as phone calls are examples of data communication. Data communication can also be explained as the transmission of electronic data and information between two points, either via analog digital electrical signal or digital binary signals. There are four basic elements in any data communication system. They are sender, medium, receiver, protocols. Sender. The computer or device that is used for sending data is called sender. Source or transmitter. In modern digital communication system, the source is usually a computer. Medium. The means through which data is sent from one location to another is called transmission media. If the receiver and the transmitter are within a building, a wire connects them. If they are located at different locations, they may be connected by telephone lines, fiber optics, or microwaves. Receiver. The device or computer that receives the data is called receiver. The receiver can be a computer, printer, or a fax machine. Protocols. There are rules under which data transmissions takes place between sender and receiver. The data communication softwares are used to transfer data from one computer to another. The software that follows the same communication protocols can communicate and exchange data. Modes of data transmission. The manner in which data is transmitted from one location to another location is called data transmission mode. There are three ways or modes for transmitting data from one location to another. These are simplex mode, half duplex mode, full duplex mode. Simplex mode. In simplex mode, data is transmitted in only one direction on the data communication line. A terminal can only send data and cannot receive it, or it can only receive data but cannot send it. It is not possible to confirm successful transmission of data in simplex mode. Examples of simplex transmission mode are radio and television broadcast, on which the signal is sent from the transmission to TV antenna. It is the cheapest communication method. Half duplex mode. In half duplex mode, data can be transmitted in both directions, but only in one direction at a time. So, during any transmission, one is the transmitter and the other is the receiver. In half duplex mode, transmission of data can be confirmed. Wireless communication like walkie talkie is an example of half duplex communication. Full duplex. Full duplex mode, data can be transmitted in both directions simultaneously. It is a faster mode of transmitting data because no time is wasted in switching directions. Examples of full duplex is telephone set in which both the user can talk and listen at the same time. So this much for today. Thank you dear students for being in the course. See you soon.